In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana AI to create a project step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a structured project with tasks, sections, and clear ownership, all with help from Asana's built-in AI. Start on your desktop and log into your Asana account. Using the desktop experience gives you the full layout and makes it easier to see everything the AI creates. Once you're in, look to the top bar and click the plus Create button. From the menu that appears, choose Project. This opens the Project Setup window. Here, select Create with AI to bring up Asana AI's Suggestions panel. This is where the magic happens and where you'll guide the AI to build the foundation of your project. In the AI prompt box, type a short description of what you want to manage. Keep it specific so the AI can structure the work effectively. For example, you might write, track content creation for social media, or plan Q1 product launch. Clarity helps the AI propose the right tasks, sections, and milestones. If you already know key dates or deliverables, include them in your prompt for an even better starting point. Next, review any project templates the AI suggests. If one fits your goal, choose it to get a head start with relevant sections and sample tasks. If nothing feels quite right, select Blank Project. Either way, you're in control. The AI will populate a draft structure, and you can customize it by refining sections, editing task names, and assigning owners based on the suggestions. This is a great time to align task names with your team's language and add quick context and descriptions so everyone understands what success looks like. When the setup looks good, click Create Project to finalize. Asana will generate your project and you'll see the tasks laid out. Take a few minutes to review what the AI created. Adjust due dates to match your timeline, assign tasks to the right teammates, and set priorities so the most important work stands out. If you notice anything missing, simply edit or add tasks. Think of the AI output as a smart draft. Double-check that each task has a clear next action and realistic deadlines, and consider spacing out due dates to balance workload across your team. And that's it. You've successfully created a project using Asana AI in just a few quick steps. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.